Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you 5 networking commands, 5 basic networking commands which can help us to troubleshoot network issues. And these 5 are ipconfig/all, second one is NSlookup, third one is ping, and fourth one is Traceroute, and the fifth one is Netstat. So let us start with the first command, that is ipconfig/all. It displays all the TCP network configuration values and refresh your dynamic host configuration protocols. It gives you all details related to the network, for example MAC address, IP address, server address, and domain name system, and IP version 6 addresses, subnet masks, default gateways. Let us see in a command prompt what details we are getting when we use this command ipconfig/all. See, it gives all the details related to this computer. First one is, you can see here, the host name of this computer, the physical address, that is MAC address of the computer, and we have also got a wireless LAN adapter that also have its own physical address, that is the MAC address that is given here. You can see it, and there are some virtual addresses also. You can see here it's a MAC address. The IP version 4 address is here. Link local IP version 6 address is also given, which is 128 bits. And all the information you need about the network or that particular computer, you can get it by IP configuration. So let us start with the second command. The syntax of this ipconfig/all is this. You can use this syntax to use this command properly. Now going to the second one, that is NSlookup. NSlookup, we can for example, if we search a web page, for example google.com, if we want to know the IP address of that particular server, by this command you can use this NSlookup and you can get the IP address of that particular web server. Or you can, if you have a, for example, IP address, you can also know the name of that web server using this command NSlookup. See, the syntax of this NSlookup command is here. NSlookup command, for example, I am using a google.com, NSlookup, then space, then google.com. We can know the IP address of that server. Let us see in command prompt. NSlookup, then google.com. See, it gave us the result, that is addresses IP version 6 and IP version 4. Both the addresses are given, that is allocated for this google.com. Now going to the next command, that is a ping command. Ping command is a command prompt command used to test the ability of the source computer to reach a specified destination computer. That means if we want to know the reachability of the destination computer, we can use this command ping, and then use the IP address of that computer or that server, and we can see that whether it's reachable or not. It's a very good troubleshooting command. We also use this command as a internet control message protocol. It is based on internet control message protocol system. It's a kind of a echo. What we send, we can get it back. For example, we send some small message to particular computer, we can get the same message to the back. Then we will know that it's working, it's reachable. For example, we will send a 3 message to a particular computer. If we got the 3 messages back, that means we have a 100% response from that computer. The syntax of this command, ping command, is this. Let us see in command prompt. See, we sent the 4 packets to the google.com and received 4 packets. That means loss is 0. It's 100% successful. These commands are used for troubleshooting networking issues. Now next command is traceroute. Traceroute command is used to, for example, we have a computer at a different location in a different city. For example, if we want to know how many routers are in between to the computer, to the destination computer and the source computer, this command is very useful for that. We also say that how many hops is away from us, from our computer, how many routers it have to pass through and reach to the destination computer. This command is used for that purpose. But sometimes when you use this traceroute command, and you will see in a command prompt, you will get a dots. Dots means you may have a firewall in between, and you will not know whether it's whether there is how many routers are there. It lists the hops you can say as the routers. The syntax of this command is here. You can use this command in CMD as well. Traceroute, for example, www.google.com. See, it's we're seeing one router is here, and these dots are firewalls. Now the second router is here, again firewall. Third router, fourth, fifth, sixth firewall, and so on and so on. This will provide you the information about the hop counts it's away from your computer. That was all about the traceroute command. Now the next command is Netstat. Netstat command is used to display the sessions, the active sessions of your computer. For example, right now I am using for example, I am searching some websites, and when I am browsing any website, it makes a session from that particular web server, and this command displays all information regarding this active sessions of that particular computer. Now let us see the netstat command in CMD. Netstat. See, it shows the IP address of our computer and the destination computers, which we have already established a connection between them. For example, HTTP, I have opened some web page. It gives us the details of that. Of these active session. And the syntax of this netstat command is here. And these 5 commands you will see, you can use it. Anyone can use these 5 networking commands to troubleshoot the network issues. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you for watching.